Alright. YFZ wants to buy a box right away. Box 1 or 2, buddy. Alright. Alright, we're going to do this real quick before the eBay break. And here we go, buddy. Good luck. Sammy Watkins for the Bills. Jersey card. Clear cloth. Sammy Watkins for the Bills. Clear cloth. 63 of 100. Chris Borland for the 49ers. Autograph. Chris Borland for the 49ers. Autograph. Non-numbered. Russell Wilson, red parallel, number 8 of 25. 8 of 25, red parallel. Beautiful. And Kenny Stills, awesome autograph for the Saints. Kenny Stills, autograph for the Saints. And last pack. Sean Green, jersey card for the Titans, certified fabrics. Sean Green for the Titans, jersey card. Not numbered. So we got a Sean Green jersey card. Russell Wilson on 25. Kenny Stills auto, non-numbered. Chris Borland auto, non-numbered. And clear cloth, Sammy Watkins for the Bills, number 63 of 100. Alright, I'm going to get going for the eBay break, so